From the Central Illinois Weather Network, I'm Larry Eastep. Good evening. We have tornado warnings, severe thunderstorm warnings, you name it, it's out there this evening. First of all, from the National Weather Service in Lincoln, Illinois, the National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for this storm here you're seeing in the yellow box, the light yellow box in the middle of your screen, for Shelby County and southern Moultrie County until 8:15. At 7:35, National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing penny-sized hail. This storm is located 9 miles northwest of Tower Hill or 12 miles east of Taylorville, moving east at 55. Locations impacted in the next half hour by this storm would include Shelbyville and Sullivan. If you're on the path of this storm, again, you will see some large hail, and you see that indicated on Storm Lab there, a hail icon showing hail in excess of 1 inch possible. Let's look at some of the tornado warnings we've got going on right now. And this is a situation the Storm Prediction Center just has issued a statement about. The areas that are particularly concerned over the next 2 hours are going to be northeastern Oklahoma, northwestern Arkansas. Let me go here to a regional range and we can talk about this. Northwestern Arkansas, south central and east central Missouri, and south central Illinois. They're saying that a tornado threat primarily from the southeastern Missouri portion of this system. Brief tornadoes have been reported over northeastern Oklahoma and southern Missouri. There's a large temperature dew point spread in this area, and there will be a pronounced threat of tornadoes during the next couple of hours. That should gradually decrease, but large hail up to baseball size is possible with some of these storms, especially across the southeastern portion of Missouri. If you look at St. Louis here up in the upper left-hand corner of your screen, just to the northwest of St. Louis, let's zoom in on that and show you we've got some pretty hefty storms over St. Louis Metro right at the moment. A number of warnings there just to the northwest over St. Charles County, over into the Alton, Grafton, Godfrey, and Jerseyville areas, and just to the west of St. Louis now out around Eureka, another pretty good thunderstorm. In fact, that one there showing indications of strengthening as it moves towards the east. Most of these storms are moving off to the east. Draw your attention again up to the Springfield, Illinois radar, and we'll show you this storm that the warnings in effect for Moultrie and Shelby counties just to the west of Springfield, a little bit off this radar actually. Well, we're seeing some hail indicated there over western Sangamon County around the Sangamon-Morgan County line. But we look on this other range here, we can show you there are additional cells just to the west of the area as well, over around Quincy, Illinois, Hannibal, Missouri. In that area, some more cells developing as this large temperature inversion is definitely causing the atmosphere to destabilize. You see snow in Chicago right now, heavy snow there, 39 degrees in Springfield right now, 60 degrees in St. Louis. It gives you an idea of why we're getting some of these storms. Let's look at this stuff down around Rolla right now. It's actually cleared the Rolla area to the southeast, but let's get you up to date real quickly here on tornado warnings. Northwestern Reynolds County and southeast Missouri until 8:30 Central Time. A tornado was reported near Edgar Springs with this storm. Folks in Reynolds, Missouri, under the gun with that storm. A tornado warning just expiring now for northern Texas County. Radar continues to indicate as of 7:43 a tornado near Fort Leonard Wood, moving to the east at 45 miles an hour. Southern Crawford, southwestern Washington County, and northwestern Iron County in Missouri. Under the gun with a rotating wall cloud and a possible tornado. We're getting indications of mesocyclones and rotation with these storms. Again, to the southeast of Rolla. That little blue line there you see running right through Rolla is I-44. So to the south and east of I-44 over towards Paducah, Kentucky. In the next hour, be on the lookout for possible tornadic storms to the east of Columbia, Missouri through St. Louis, on across I-70 towards Effingham, and even down towards Mount Vernon in Illinois. Also be on the lookout there. Severe thunderstorm watches in effect for a good portion of the area. Again, that regional view showing you the path these storms are going to take towards Kentucky, Tennessee, and again in the Arkansas area we're not really able to see this very good. It's kind of off the radar range, but up around the Bentonville area, northwestern Arkansas, and just moving into Branson, Missouri right now, southwestern Missouri, a tornadic cell there, and that storm has a history of baseball-sized tail. Stay tuned and stay alert for severe weather. From the Central Illinois Weather Network, I'm Larry Eastep.